Look at the size of it. Oh, it's incredible.
The buffer beam damage is extensive right here. We'll need to follow Section 3 of the reinforcement plan.
Understood. We can start fabricating the patches immediately.
We're almost there. The main bay is just ahead.
Good. Let's hope the crane can handle the weight.
The chocks are solid on this side.
Good. The chain tension here is holding steady. We should be ready for the initial assessment.
The corrosion around the stack is severe, and the articulation joint won't budge at all.
All right, looking inside now, we have significant scale buildup on the flue tubes
Confirmed. Scale deposits noted.
and severe internal rust on the lower right.
All right, lift it slow. Watch the clearance on the left side. Copy that. Coming up easy. Take it up slow. It's breaking free. Copy that. Lifting slowly.
Okay, tilt it slightly more to the left. Need to get this seam completely covered.
Got it. The converter is reacting well here.
Align the eccentric rod to the combination lever.
Got it. Now secure the keeper nut and the cotter pin.
Bring it down easy. Watch the journal. Steady on the left. We are clear. Keep going.
All connections secured. Ready to proceed.
Confirmed.
right, it's seated. Start the sequence. Hitting the first bolt now.
Okay, hold it steady. Got the screws right here. This one locks it in place. It looks great.
Easy now, center it right there.
Got it. Feels solid. Pass the wrench.
Beautiful. The big boy has its eyes back.
We're nearly at the set point. Keep that draft steady.
10-4. Pressure looks good outside.
It's alive! We finally did it!